That is Miramar Beach. Hello people and welcome back to a new day. Currently as you can see बहुत तेज़ धूप आई हुई है. Although it was raining heavily these days and I am here at Panjim to some work. So अभी मेरा काम ख़त्म हो गया. Now I am planning to go somewhere. We'll see where we can go. Currently I am in this area. This place is called as Talegaon. One of the cleanest places nearby Panjim areas. अभी मैं हाईवे पे हूँ. This highway connects this is the Talegaon Plateau. This place is called as Talegaon Plateau, and this highway is the Goa University Road, which connects the GMC, which is the bypass from GMC to the Dona Paula and Miramar and further. That's Taj Exotica. और इस साइड में आपको ब्यूटीफुल विलास बिल्डिंग्स वगैरह देखने को मिलेंगी. दिस इज वन ऑफ द क्लीनेस्ट एरियाज. दिस इज दोना पाउला सर्कल. That is NIO. This is NIO entrance, National Institute of Oceanography. And अभी मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ एक स्पेशल प्लेस. फाइनली हम लोग पहुँच गए हैं एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दिस स्पेशल प्लेस दैट ज़्यादातर लोगों को इसके बारे में पता नहीं है. दिस इज़ द प्लेस दैट इज़ राज भवन, wherein our respected governor stays, and this is the place. That is Miramar Beach that you can see, and this is a cool place wherein you can sit. यहाँ पे आप लोग बैठ सकते हैं, चिल कर सकते हैं. This is like a viewpoint here on top of Dona Paula. यहाँ पे राज भवन है एंड पीछे आप लोग जो देख सकते हैं दैट इज़ मिरामार बीच. पूरे मिरामार बीच का व्यू मिल जाता है आपको. There if you can see, that is Raj Bhavan. You can sit here and take the view of Miramar Beach, but then right now this view is blocked. That is Miramar Beach. This is the Panjim city. ये पूरी Panjim city है. That side it is Porvorim. I actually wanted to sit here, but then यहाँ पे planks ही नहीं है. Finally I got to sit here. Now this is one of the peaceful places and not much visited places here. So बहुत सी ऐसी जगह हैं गोवा में जिसके बारे में बहुत से लोगों को पता नहीं है. So अभी आने वाले व्लॉग्स में I'll try to visit such places. And by the way, in case if you all are coming here or any such places, then you are most welcome, but make sure that you don't litter the place. You keep the place clean and come with the intentions to visit this place only, to admire its beauty, etc., and nothing else. Now in terms of littering, one issue I've seen is that mostly the tourists, the domestic tourists who come here, I don't know what picture they have regarding गोवा के बारे में वो लोग क्या सोचते हैं मुझे मालूम नहीं, बट दे जस्ट सिट लाइक taking the bottle of beer or liquor and all, and then they just sit anywhere like that. Let me tell you, by rule it is not allowed. You are not allowed to drink outside the permissible premises, as in like it is illegal, and if police wishes they can detain you for that. So make sure whatever practices you do, you abide by the rules. एंड कीप द प्लेसेस क्लीन. जहाँ पे अभी गोवा ही नहीं बट जहाँ पे भी आप जाते हो, मेक श्योर दैट यू respect the place, respect the rules and regulations of that place, and keep it clean. Try to keep it clean and respect the locals and their rules and regulations over there. Okay, that's it.